Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah. It's King Yadaya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And today is the 24th of August 2022. Right now the time is 1:26 p.m. I'm in a live trade right here on AMD. We're taking a R3 rejection from 93.12 is R3 today. Right, that's R3 right there. S3 is at 91.83. My entry is 93.07. Added to the position here at 92.56 on that response to this candle right here. So we had that attempted reversal candle, and then we had a good response, right? So that's like a shooting star. If you put them together, it's like a shooting star, because this kind of just took away. If you put those candles together, this would be a big wick to the downside, right? So it's kind of like a shooting star, kind of like this candle here. So we had another confirmation of the continued short, right? So my target now is S3. I'm gonna move down to S3 right here at 91.86. We might even get a break lower. So I'm just gonna monitor this for like a couple minutes. I gotta go to work today, so can't really stay too long. Maybe I might stay in this trade 15 more minutes and then I'm gonna head out. Let's see what other targets we could look at. We could look at floor pivot S1 at 91.58. That's a possible target right there. So with the strength of the downward move with volume, I'm gonna put my stop at 91.65, just above this area right here. You see this congestion area right here? That was a breakout level. So if we retest that level right above floor pivot S1, I'm gonna take profit right there. Now looking at it now, I'm gonna trail my stop down to probably this level right here, just below. So if we do pull back, I'm gonna secure that 92.44. So it'll be from average price of 92.92 to 92.44, which isn't bad. We got some selling coming in here. Again, nice volume. And if you look over here, we have a volume point of control. Well, not volume point of control. That's the volume point of control right there, where we had all the sell-off, right? We moved sideways, a bunch of wicks to the top. We had this nice wick rejection right here and breakdown of S3. I mean R3, my bad. So this is another really big volume at price level. So this right here is either gonna be support or resistance. I mean, yeah, support or resistance. So we're looking like we're gonna break through it. We're running into it now, so it's gonna be acting like support, right? I don't know if you could see that. That's that kind of purple, dark purple coming across. Then it's the lighter purple line right there. Hope you guys can see that. And it's similar to this right here. You see that dark purple coming across, then the lighter purple. That's another heavy kind of volume area. This is another heavy volume area at S3. So it's looking like it's gonna break through this one here, this heavy volume area. And this is the second heaviest volume area compared to like the volume point of control over here, which goes all the way across to this level, right? So let's see what happens here, because if we get too much support here, I could probably move my stop down just in case we get the bounce from here. I could trail my stop down to like VWAP. And let's see what's gonna happen here. Volume is looking kind of light on the start of this candle, but heavy volume going down on the push down with these two candles right here. So I'm expecting this one to pick up volume as well. So we need some initiative sellers to come into the market, start shorting right here. for that breakdown, and also we need some buyers to start stopping out around this area. That's why I think around this area here, we might have some stop losses to get hit just below S3. So that's why I'm thinking I'm gonna try and catch something above floor pivot S1. So you see what's happening here. Because of the heavy volume, we're having a little battle right here, right? So you see it's kind of stalling out right there. So that could be some absorption going on. Some buyers might be stepping in there. But it's looking like it's gonna break. And this is also pre-market low at 92. So we're heading into that level where buyers might try to come in. Let's see if they lose that battle. So we at 92.03, kind of touching that level right now. Let's see if we break through. Let's see, the volume is still a little lackluster. It's not pushing up heavy. It's now starting to kind of prop up a little bit. Starting to get some wicks right there at the bottom of this candle right here. Approaching that 92 level, and let's see if we're gonna break below. It's looking like it wants to though. But I think the buyers are starting to come in here, so I gotta watch out for this S3 level. They might really try and step it up at S3, you know, this red line right here. Alright, so I'm gonna secure right above VWAP 92.31 because we're starting to get some wick rejection right there at pre-market low. And let me just check out something here real quick. Alright, looking at the US dollar was pushing up. Now we're getting that pullback, so that might cause a little bounce in the stock market. So what I need the US dollar to do to continue the selling is to push up a little bit again. Let's see what the VIX is doing. Right, so the VIX is pulling back, so we might get a little bounce in the market right here. So let's see. Volume is coming in, but we're still getting like a kind of doji candle there. Let's see what happens if we break above this level right here. What is that? 92.15. Let's see what happens there. Right, so we had some absorption right there. Buyers stepping in at pre-market low 92. Let's see if they get some short sellers applying pressure right here again. Let's see, the time is 13:35. I'm gonna probably give this 5 more minutes and I'm gonna close out this trade. And if it does pop above like about, I don't know, 92.20, I might just close it out. Alright, so it's looking like the seller's stepping back in. We're gonna retest that 92 again. volume is kind of falling off on the selling though, so if I see a kind of pop-up kind of reversal action going on here, I'm gonna just stop it out. Right, so we're gonna retest 92 again on low volume. Pre-market low. All right, so it's looking like they're getting some support. We holding at around 92.11, 92.10. Alright, I'm gonna give it like 3 more minutes. And if it does pop above like 92.20, I think I'm gonna stop it out there. Volume still falling off. The Qs and the SPY is still looking a little weak, looking like it wants to go lower, so let's see if AMD follows suit. With this kind of price action here, I think we're not gonna break down to, even if we do fall some more, I think we're gonna just hit like S3. So I'm gonna put my stop here at 91.90, and that's all I'm gonna look for today, because I think if we were gonna continue flushing down, we would try to hit S3. We wouldn't stop at around pre-market low. I don't think that's really that significant, although it is a high volume level here though, on the volume at price. So let me not say that it is a high volume level, so we could get that kind of support right there. Alright, so this is what I'm gonna do. My stop is now at 92. Just at VWAP. If we come back to 92.26, I'm good. I'm good on that trade. Let's see how much support it gets. And if it does hit my my stop out level at 92.26, it'll be roughly 1 hour today. So it's a green day today. Alright y'all, so it's 13:40. I gotta finish getting ready for work, so I'm gonna leave this trade here. You're gonna see whether it hits or not. You know what I'm saying? Stop out is at 92.26, target is at 91.90 on AMD. And I hope you enjoyed this live trade. I'm gonna catch you all tomorrow, man. Alright y'all, peace and blessings. Y'all trade safe and stay blessed.